You engineer every basis point of your portfolio. You stress test your business models and optimize your tax strategies. Yet, when it comes to the single most critical asset you own, your own biology, most individuals leave the outcome to chance. Standard medical care is engineered for the singular goal of disease management, leaving it misaligned with the requirements of peak human performance. This timeline maps the rapidly advancing curve of vanguard longevity science against the plateau of standard medical practice. The data reveals a quantified 10-year gap. Outdated training protocols and a rigid liability system trap your doctor a full decade behind the science. This liability ceiling locks into place above standard practice, actively blocking upward growth. In this environment, doctors practice defensive medicine, prioritizing the avoidance of acute failure over the optimization of long-term vitality. The standard medical system is structurally designed to keep the average person from dying, rather than providing the tools to make an elite performer exceptional. That 10-year scientific lag supports the common narrative that aging is a passive, inevitable decline. Current research suggests a different reality. We are now reclassifying aging as a treatable systemic condition. Longevity science now accesses protocols that actively repair cellular degradation, an entire landscape of advanced interventions that traditional practitioners completely ignore. Trusting an outdated advisory team with your cellular health guarantees physical depreciation at a time when biological evolution is actually possible. Health optimization for the elite begins with the foundation of biological engineering: sleep. Elite biological engineering treats sleep as an aggressive performance protocol, a rigorous recalibration of every systemic function. This graph illustrates the core mechanism: circadian alignment. We map a 24-hour sine wave representing your daily circadian cycle, with a highly precise target zone bracketed at the lowest trough. Aligning your internal clock with this exact timing engineers your physiological outcome. Hitting this precise window triggers deep cellular repair, moving the body from a state of defense to one of active rebuilding. Simultaneously, this alignment optimizes hormonal output, bringing cortisol and testosterone into perfect rhythm. When these biological systems synchronize, cognitive processing speed increases, creating a massive spike in output. For the high net worth individual, sleep represents the strategic, active architecture of tomorrow's peak performance. Actively tracking these circadian metrics creates a closed biological feedback loop between data input and biological output. A perfectly engineered night yields a morning of unbreakable focus, extreme physical resilience, and clear decision-making. Stacking these precise physiological advantages day after day causes the benefits to compound exponentially. Biological engineering functions exactly like compounding interest. Early, active deposits of high-quality sleep yield immense systemic power over time. This shift moves you from being a passive patient in a decaying medical system to an active architect of your own circadian biology. Unbreakable physical resilience translates directly into a sharper mental outlook and ruthless clarity in executive decision-making. This dual-axis chart shows the ultimate return on investment. As the biological optimization curve accelerates, it drives a corresponding upward inflection in your overall trajectory. Your peak financial trajectory and your peak biological architecture are the exact same system. Architecting this level of performance is impossible with a medical advisory team trapped a decade in the past. You require vanguard longevity intelligence, science that is free from liability constraints and outdated training protocols. Project Kaigenesis is the portal to this unbiased, actionable biological intelligence. Take absolute command of your future and stop managing a predicted decline. Step out of the 10-year lag and begin actively engineering your biological evolution today.